I don't know why. I'd be ripping, I rip that piece of shit all the time.
I'm turning into like that old dude that only takes his car out on Sundays.
It's not good.
Once my kid's on though, I know I'm gonna turn into like a kid in a candy store again.
Dude, this car is gonna be fucking insane. With the Rocket Bunny on it, oh my god. Hey, how are you?
It's gonna be really crazy.
Oh my god. I'm pretty sure that's illegal.
That's a small one. It's a small one.
I didn't know
That shit's louder than yours. I don't give a fuck.
I'm going 15 miles an hour.
I'm pretty sure that's illegal.
Pretty sure?
Pretty sure. Bro, that shit never gets
That's
old.
crazy. We're doing like half the speed limit with that noise.
It never gets old, man. It really, I don't even have my fucking seatbelt on. Men's is all.
Alright, so we're gonna show you guys my car real quick. If you guys didn't know, if you are new here, I own a LS2 swapped 240SX with an Ace water
The
drip.
water leak.
And my own Spider.
Okay. His name's Henry.
The car is LS2, naturally aspirated. It's got a nice little tune, headers, exhaust, all that good stuff. It's pushing around 450. This entire bay got redone. It looked fucking horrible. Like,
Put that picture in there.
alright, I'll look for it. It's bad. Like, my engine bay was fucking horrible. But just to show you guys real quick, the Duraflex front bumper, it's kind of beat. The wind kind of distorted it a little bit. I am selling that. Flares, all this is rep. So if you want to see all the damage and why I tell you guys not to buy rep shit like this will cracks in the flares, everything like that. But this is rep also. This one was like $80. My diffuser was rep. It does shake a little bit,
Oh, a little bit.
but everything
a
else,
little bit.
yeah. But I am selling everything on this car. So, but this is my 240. We're finally going real Rocket Bunny.
You know what I
All
love?
real parts.
We're showing people why not to buy rep parts. Oh, I'm also selling all of this.
I mean, I prefer you not to buy, but if you're gonna track it, why buy a real part if you're gonna destroy an $800 bumper?
I guess.
Destroy a $125 bumper.
I guess.
That's the only time I condone it. That, or if you're gonna do fake, don't flaunt it like it's real.
So, what do we got here today? Passarelli.
We got an AC on. That's first.
No, it's
Now,
off.
now we're gonna die. I'm gonna die in here for you guys.
Stupid. What am I getting as my horn?
My man's got the hammer at dawn coming down on him. Alright, boys and gals. So today, actually yesterday, I bought my Rocket Bunny 380 SX kit. I haven't really seen a lot of like unboxing videos and giving like a review of the kit itself. So I have the kit in my room. It's a little crammed, but I'm gonna try and show you guys the kit itself and the quality and all my opinions on it. So where should we start off? Front bumper?
Yes.
Start with the big boy. God. Don't break it.
Break it?
Don't break it.
Okay, what do we got
You can put it on the bed. Just turn it around.
What do we got here? What do we got here?
What's your opinions on the front bumper so far?
I think a front bumper is a front bumper. I mean, after you paint it and everything, it's gonna look, man, it seems pretty sturdy for fiberglass.
Oh, it's FRP. So
That's the shit that I told you.
yeah. I mean, 90% of this kit is FRP minus the diffuser and the canards.
This is metal.
Yes. Well, we'll go to that in a minute. The bumper is alone. All these parts can be bought by themselves. If you did not know that. I recommend just buying the entire kit unless you really just want a Rocket Bunny front bumper or something like that. Bumper starts off at $545. How's that make you feel?
How much does that wing? That
Well-
flimsy ass duckbill?
We'll get into that in a minute. So the front bumper is $545. You can see the difference between rep stuff and real stuff. They actually like wet sanded everything.
Yeah, I
You can see that. So they took the time to wet sand everything. All the lines are really clean. I mean, I will have to fix like maybe just like the little corners of everything. Nothing too crazy. The kit's not cracked. Nothing came messed up or anything like that, which I am actually very surprised about. You know the struggle.
Yeah, I do know the
Exactly. So the FRP is actually pretty decent. It doesn't feel that flimsy. It could definitely take a few smacks to the ground if it really needed to. I'm going to try to prevent that at all costs, but it feels great. I have a Duraflex front bumper. Shit's garbage.
Yeah, I agree.
I've had it for 3 years. The wind distorted it. It just looks like crap. I highly just recommend just when you do your car, buy the real stuff first. You're going to do what I did and
You're going to do what I did too.
or do what he did in 3 years down the line, or 3 months down the line.
I'm not gonna wait 3 years to fucking.
Yeah, a few months down the line, you're gonna have to replace it because it's breaking or anything like that. Just save the extra week's paycheck, 2 weeks paycheck, and buy the real parts. What should we show them next? What do you want to see next?
The wing. I want to see.
My duckbill?
How flimsy that shit is
Compared to my other one?
No, I want the world to see how flimsy it is, which is it's supposed to be. I mean,
it's a long piece. That's the thing.
It's flimsy, and I want to compare the flimsiness to the fucking price tag of the wing alone.
Well, this. Okay, ready? I'm gonna. Here's the thing. You're seeing this by itself.
Mm-hmm.
I originally got a rep wing off eBay.
Mm-hmm.
That was flimsy. This, like, I could actually like squeeze this a little bit, and I don't feel like it's gonna snap on me. That one that's on my car currently also has gaps in between the body line and that, and I wouldn't trust it.
Yeah, but it's on your car right now, and that's not.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just bought this. So this, yes, you might think it's flimsy because it's not on the car. It's not bolted to anything.
Yeah, because that's FRP. Remember when I told you about FRP? You were like, no fucking good.
Depending on what you're getting, yes. But my entire point at this moment is that this feels pretty good compared to the other one. And this also isn't bolted to anything, so it feels flimsy. When it's bolted, all the firmness of everything will feel good. Even though this duckbill is not going on my car, unfortunately for him, I don't want it on. The duckbill starts at $200.
Starts.
Well, I mean, you gotta remember
resale
shipping,
value.
everything like that.
No resale value.
$200 for the duckbill. This as well. Everything that came was pretty much wet sanded. I will tell you if anything wasn't. There is a little bit of a scuff kind of right here.
I feel like you kind of have to expect things like that.
Well, yeah, but I could fix that literally with the tiniest glob of fucking body filler. But besides that, everything's wet sanded. All the body lines are really nice on it. So I can't complain, even though I'm not putting this on my car, so it's irrelevant. But it looks good. What do you want to see next?
Flares.
You're gonna see flares?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But they're still wrapped.
They're not coming out, I can tell you that right now.
Why not?
Because they're nicely wrapped.
They're nice. You're gonna have to unwrap it eventually.
Yeah, but the thing is that they're like the one thing that I don't want to break the most. So the fenders do look good. I don't want to take them out at the moment. Comes with 4, 2 front, 2 back, as you guys know. They feel better than my ones that I have on currently, but they still feel flimsy, obviously, because they're not bolted into anything at the moment.
I mean, it's nice that they, like, the fucking room for, like, the grommets for like, whatever, what the hell?
The rivets.
The rivets, yeah, are there. But I also love how they imprint a little space so you know
where to drill.
Like, there's no guessing.
Yeah.
That's what I like a lot. That's what you pay for.
Do you want to guess how much the fender flares go for?
Oh, probably like 800.
That'd be pretty damn close. You want to take another guess?
859.
850 on the dot. Which isn't bad. I mean,
I mean, for real flares, I mean, it's not.
For my rep flares that I bought, I'm not going to say where I bought them from because I don't want to spread the cancer, but they were 500, I think, and they're cracking. So
if you just waited an extra week, 2 weeks, you could have had.
I could have bought a real rocket bunny like I wanted to, and I never did because I'm stupid. Well, I did now, but.
Well, I mean, cut yourself some slack. You were young. I'm young now.
All right, let me put it this way. Back when I bought my rep kit, Spicy Dip was still a thing. So I think we all know where that stands. What do you want to see next?
Okay, we did flares, front.
I got diffuser, side skirt.
The skirts. I mean, we could
skirts
right there.
These do feel a little flimsy. I don't have rep skirts at the moment. I mean, once these are on, they They do feel pretty sturdy. I mean,
I feel like once
we're making all the things that are super long feel flimsy, but that's because
they're not bolted.
Yeah, this is like 4 feet something. So this is like, it's gonna feel like that. I have OEM 180SX skirts, so I can't really compare, and they've always been mounted on my car since I bought it. So I do not know the difference at the moment. I will tell you guys later on, I guess, when this is actually bolted in. But I'm excited. I know 180SX skirts are valued. I just ruins kind of the look of my car, I guess you could say, because it makes my car look like a monster truck.
And like, you don't want that for your RB.
Yeah.
400?
Side skirts are 325.
Close.
What'd you say, 4?
Is it 4? Yeah.
Good. You should work for Rocket Bunny. You should price everything.
Should I?
No. We'll do the splitter. I love the splitter. Splitter's my favorite part.
Yeah, that shit looks fucking good.
Without
the
this
actual material, that is that fiber?
I don't even know what this is because it feels like a fucking surfboard.
That
Like,
shit looks fucking good though.
it does. And I didn't expect it to be this big when it came in, and I didn't.
It's upside down, so I think it'll flip.
Yeah. No. This is the. It curves up. But I did not expect the feel this. Feel how sturdy it is.
I touched it when I came in here. I was like,
It
nah,
is-
that's not fiberglass.
Yeah, this is like the most sturdy part of the entire kit. I'm actually very excited for this. This is my favorite part, and without, I don't like it when people run the Rocket Bunny kit without the front splitter and canards. It doesn't make sense to me. It does not make sense to me because it ruins the entire look of the car.
I wouldn't say it ruins it, but it just
The front
leaves
bumper
it
looks
lacking.
weird.
It leaves it lacking.
It makes it less aggressive. So for going all wide body and everything, I feel like it would be pointless to not go with the canards and everything like that. But the canards are definitely the most flimsy part of the entire sketch.
That shit, you know, those are I didn't touch these. But again, this is.
But it's a tiny part of the car. It's like
The only thing I don't like about fiberglass is this.
the back. I mean, it is what it is.
It's the only thing I'm not a fan of.
How much do you think the front splitter is?
3 to 4.
And just the splitter, not the canards.
Actually, no. 4 to 5.
325 for just the splitter
That was
only.
close.
Front canards are 205.
So 5 for everything. So that was
Yeah.
kind of close.
500. What else have we shown? The diffuser, right? That's pretty much it.
Yeah. that's
Okay,
right
so the diffuser, I don't know why. Even with the rep one that I bought a while ago, which I'm selling all this stuff off my car. If anybody, just keep in touch on my Instagram at the tween. You'll keep updated if you want to buy anything. I don't know why. They don't come with instructions for the diffuser. And if you guys could see, the diffuser is a lot of parts. And I'm going to show you guys the bag of hardware just in case that wasn't
Yeah,
enough.
fucking dude. When I saw that stuff, I was like, good luck with that shit.
This is the bag of hardware for the diffuser. Just to give you guys an idea. This is easily 2 pounds. And then all of these just to add on to it. Just to make my life a living hell. So, they don't give you instructions. Don't know why. That is my major critique. For a company like this, putting out body kits, you can't give instructions for your diffuser. This is their instructions.
Let me see.
It's a picture. It's a picture. That's how I had to put the rep diffuser together. I had to look at pictures of people's Rocket Bunnies.
I mean, you could figure this out.
It's a pain in the ass. It's a 2-hour process to put this thing together properly and sturdy. It's probably gonna be quicker.
It gives you all the angles.
It's probably quicker though now because it's real and the pieces probably fit together really well. With the rep I had a lot of trouble because the holes didn't line up properly.
Exactly, because it's red.
And I had to like bend shit. It was a disaster.
Red leaves.
I think that's everything on the thing, right? Are we forgetting anything?
The flares, splitter, skirts, wing, that, I mean, yeah.
The rear diffuser is $450. Which, if you think, I know that sounds like a fucking ridiculous
Yeah, but I
price.
mean, it's a good, I mean, I'm not gonna hold you. The diffuser is actually pretty fucking nice.
Yeah, the diffuser it's not fiberglass, just in case you guys were wondering that. It is a weird compound kind of material. I don't really know how to describe it. I can kind of show you guys the corner of it, whichever corner I had that was open. Wherever that is. Over here. I don't know what kind of material to call this. It's like some compound between metal
It's steel, you idiot.
It's some weird like compound thing. It's two things sandwiched in between like a tougher plastic or whatever. I don't know. If you guys know the exact material, comment down below. I'm not gonna butcher it because I know a lot of people get a little butthurt about stuff like that. But the kit overall is really good. Like I was gonna say a minute ago, the real diffuser is $450. The rep one is $360. So why not just spend the extra $90?
I'm very confused.
And buy the legit, probably way sturdier too, because my diffuser cracked driving home.
Broke, yeah.
Yeah, and it was hanging off my car. And Gabe didn't tell me. He just thought I knew that, you know, you just know things crack on the back of your car when you're driving in pouring rain. But if you guys have any questions on the kit, any questions at all, please let me know. I will be doing a lot of videos of DY bodying my car, re-wide bodying my car, wrap, bodywork, interior. I got back seats finally again. I got my fabric for my doors that I have to redo. My entire car is going to take a huge transformation over the next 2 months.
Yeah.
And it's going to be kind of wild. So please stay up to date with that. If you guys could please subscribe, things like that. And if you guys have any things you want to see, any recommendations, anything like that, obviously leave it down below. Leave it on my Instagram, anything. I think that's it.
You think?
I think. Meh.
Meh?
Meh.
Meh?
Meh.
Meh?
You're next.
No. Honestly, dude, I'm like, this stupid fucking check engine light, man. If I had an inspection, my car would be in a way different place right now. But like, a part of me wants to just drop a shit ton of money and do what I want to do, but like, another part of me is like, just take that money and fix what should be fixed. Don't be like Anton and spend $3 on a kit where your daily A to B still doesn't have an inspection.
I need O2 sensors on my car, but I thought a Rocket Bunny was more in my priorities at the moment.
The thing with you is if I was in your boat, I would have been done it, because O2s is simple.
The thing is $80 that I don't have.
I wonder why.
The whole reason why I bought the kit right away is because when I was at the place to buy my kit, I was like, how often does this kit come in stock? He's like, this one, not very often. And everyone's trying to convince me to buy my brakes first, which is $1,000, things like that. I was like, I need to buy the kit, because if it goes out of stock, I'm gonna have to wait another year, 2 years, whenever the hell they bring it back. This isn't like the BRZ kit that comes back all the time. But that's that. Thank you guys. We'll see you later.
Nope.